Hey, it is Joey with Sun Outdoors.
I'm Angelo.
I'm Kerry.
And I'm Jaxon, and welcome to my RV.
Welcome to the crib.
Wow, this is nice. Did you get it like this, or you have to do a lot?
We did some things, but we knew when we wanted something that felt modern. We're a modern family, and if we're gonna live in it, we wanted it to feel like home, right? It's fine that the size is small, but you have to feel good in your space. Here's the kitchen. It's obviously pretty small, but honestly it has everything that we need. It has a convection oven, so you can bake cookies, a gas burner, it has the induction. I mean, it cooks just like you would normally eat. So here is the back bedroom, I guess you could call it, but they're kind of daybed style, so we actually do spend some time back here, during the day. There's a TV back here.
And this bathroom.
And the bathroom!
Is so beautiful.
Honestly, there's really not much more that you need.
How old are you, Jaxon?
9.
9 years old. And I kind of want to talk to you, Jaxon. What's life been like being the coolest 9-year-old, living full-time on the road and going to all these cool places?
It's been really cool.
What's your favorite part about it?
I like traveling to all the different spots and seeing Arches National Park.
Arches.
And Moab, that was awesome. And what about meeting lots of friends?
Yeah.
We've made a lot of friends along the way, other families that travel full time, and we have some friends we've made that we'll be friends forever with.
Yeah.
So it's really cool now we have friends kind of scattered across the country and we meet up with them. Yep.
Yeah.
What's it been for you two raising a family now in this RV?
I think it's awesome. I mean, part of the reason that we chose to do it when we did is just you kind of see how time was flying by, and I felt like we just wanted to have a real big adventure together as a family, and we're doing it.
Yeah.
So,
We've been to almost every state. I don't know which ones we're missing, but
Montana.
Montana, I think, is big on the
It's the
list.
last one.
Yeah, last one.
But it's great. I mean, just having this time together, having these adventures together, not segmenting our life like, going to work and going to school and not seeing each other, and really like having a life and memories that we all make together is pretty special.